Okay, please off your video. Okay, somebody switched on the videos. Also, please confirm, can you hear my voice in the chat? Just a second. Yeah, okay. Thanks for your confirmation. Okay, I will start the session. Before starting, just you have to do one small changes. Okay, okay. Thank you for your reply. Okay, if, during the session, if you have any questions, don't ask in between. You ask me the question at the end of the session. I will give time for you. If you have any doubts, you can just note down it. Okay, I will give the time for you. At the end of the session, you can ask your doubts. Okay, I will clear your doubts. Okay, before starting the session, you have to do one small things for your certification. Like you have to send one mail to the Aponix. What you have to do, the first thing is you have to go to Google Analytics, sorry, Google Contact. You have to go to Google Contacts. Here you have to store the email ID. Means I am sharing the email ID, which email ID you want to store. That is I am sharing in the chat. That is I am sharing in the chat. Okay, you have to save this email ID in your contact. How to contact? You have to come to Google Contacts. This is the URL. Here you have to come and you have to, just a second. You can open contacts.google.com here. Once you open contacts.google.com, you will get this particular screen. Here you have to click on create a contact. Create a contact. Here you can name it as an Aponix. Okay, and you can add the email ID. Okay, email ID is, I have shared with you already, career@consult. Just a second. career.consultant@aponixco.in. This email ID you have to save, and you have to save in your contact. If you click on save your contact, it will save. I will give 1 minute of time. You can please save it. Okay, after this I will start the session. I will give 1 minute of time. Please do the okay. I have shared already the link also in the chat. Okay, once you've done the save, what you have to do next, you have to go to your Gmail. Go to the Gmail. In the Gmail, what you have to do, you have to click on compose, and here you can add the email ID, and subject line everyone has to be right same, digital marketing batch 4. Same subject line also you make it digital marketing batch 4, and you can send the mail. And here the subject line also I am in the chat. I am sharing in the chat. Okay, if you've done already, then no need to do. If anyone not done, please do that one. Okay, if anyone not done, please do it. If you already done, then no need to do again. Okay, once again, briefly, I am explaining how to do it. You have to go to first Google Contacts. Already I have shared the link here. Click on new contact. Here, create a new contact. Here we have to save the contact numbers. sorry, just name you can add it, and email ID you can add it, and you can click on save. Once you've done the save, then you go to email ID and click on compose, add it. Already I have shared you the subject line also. Subject line you give digital marketing batch 4, and body also you can give digital marketing batch 4, and you can send it. Please do it all. Okay, I will start the session in another 1 minute. Okay, hope done all. We have shared the email ID also. Next, one more thing, I am sharing the Facebook group link also. This link I will share you. Okay, this is the Aponix group. Here you can join it. You will get a regularly about job updates and digital marketing updates. Okay. Please, you can join the groups also. We will post regularly about the job informations around the India, wherever the jobs are available. Please mute video, else I will remove from the session. Please off the video, else I will remove from the session for you. Okay, I have shared the link of the group also. Please join there. Also, I am sharing the Facebook URL of the Aponix. You can follow it. Please follow us in the Facebook page also. Okay, now I will come for the digital marketing. Okay, what is the digital marketing and why we have to study the digital marketing, and what is the job opportunity in the digital marketing? What are the topics I'm going to explain today? I will explain you now. Beginning, I will note it. Then we will go for the next. First thing is, I will explain what is digital marketing and its importance. The second thing is difference between digital marketing versus traditional marketing. What is the difference? The difference I'm going to explain. And third thing is, what is keyword research? For job opportunities. Okay, first thing is digital marketing. What is the digital marketing? Digital marketing means you have to market the any product or any services, okay, via online. Like any businesses you can take, if you want to market, you have to use the digital channels to promote their business or services or any kind of information via. Let's say I will take the few examples about this. If you have a one of the business like college, or you have anything, you want to promote your courses. Okay, previously what happens in the traditional marketing, it was completely dependent on the pamphlet, giving a ads in the paper, giving the ads in the TV channels and radio channels. That is completely a traditional marketing. That is the olden days. Now in the 2020, everything is moved to the digital marketing, because the audience also switching from traditional marketing to digital marketing because of the lot of reasons. Because in the digital marketing you will get a measurement everything. I will give some explanation how we can do the digital marketing via which channels. I will share you some tips, then you will get an idea. Example, you can see through a social media we can do the marketing. What is the social media nowadays? Everyone, we are using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. There people are promoting their products and you are seeing the ads. If you are interested and you are interacting with that particular ads and you are contacting them, means they are communicating with you via digital channels. Digital channels, why the people are coming to digital channels, I will give the some of the points that it will be a great for you. Why to choose digital marketing channel? First point is cost effective. Cost effective example, if you want to place one ad on anywhere in the newspaper, they will charge you 1000, more than 1000 rupees, like depends on the ads. But here, as per your budget, you can do anytime the ads in the social media or in the Google ads or any other advertisement channel. That is the reason we can say cost effective. Cost effective example, I will tell you. Okay, you printed 1000 pamphlet and if you distributed somewhere in the area, for printing 1000 pamphlet, it will cost you around minimum of 400 rupees printing charge and minimum of 100 to 200 rupees of designing charge, and again distribution charge also you have to give. Approximately it will give the cost of 500 or 600 rupees it will cost you for the 1000 pamphlet I am telling. If you go with the digital channel, you can reach the 1000 people in 40 rupees, in just 40 rupees. No need of printing, no need of anything. I can, in one word I can tell you, it is a 90% of your cost reduction is done in the digital marketing. 90% of cost. If you want to place ad on the TV channel, they will charge you per second specific amount. But the same video you can do the advertisement on the YouTube or in the social media, you will get a very less cost per view. They will charge you just 30 paisa or 50 paisa per view. But in the digital marketing you will get a measurement. Second point is measurement. Okay, measurement is possible here. In the traditional marketing, measurement is not possible. What is the measurement? What we can say, that is measurement means, if somebody, like if you place the any ad, you want to get to know how many people are viewed that ad, how many people are interacted with that, and how many people got converted via that ad. That is the example. Example, I will tell you, if you place a one ad on the newspaper, you will not get to know the people is came from that newspaper ad or where, and you will not able to track the conversion also. And that newspaper, it will be reach every people. newspaper, newspaper ad, it will be seen by every people. There is no restriction of job, sorry, age group or gender, any demographics, because there no segmentation option is not available. It will reach everybody. If you place the any ad on the TV channel, there is no segmentation, like this ad will be visible for only the people of age group 20 to 30, like there. But that is the possible in the digital marketing. That is, we can say segmentation. Segmentation means we can make a filter however the want people. The people can be make it however. Example, I will tell you, if you are promoting MBA college, MBA admission, or any MBA applications, what is the age group you have to target? There you have to target between the 20 to 23 age. But the same, if you do in the TV or if you do in the newspaper, it will not segment anything. It will reach everyone, whomever watching the TV, whomever listening the radio, whomever reading the paper. There what happens, your effort means advertisement will not reach accurate people, means accurate audience. Okay, your advertisement, it will not reach only the accurate people. It will reach by everyone. It will reach by everyone. That process we can say here, it reaches exact audience. It reaches exact audience. That filtering option is available in the digital media channels because of the things. And one more thing is here, if you want to make any changes or anything changes in that, or you want to decide to place the ad, we can do quickly. It is a quick and fast. Quick and fast. But it not happens in the traditional. They have to approve the ad and they have to set in the sequence. It takes a lot of the time. But here not. If you are interested, immediately prepare the creatives and you can start the ad. Everything is controlled with you. And second advantage is, last one more, sixth advantage is controls with you. Anytime you can pause the ad, anytime run the ad, anytime reschedule the ad. But it not happens in the traditional marketing. If once the paper is printed, again we can't roll back. But here we can roll back the ads. Like if you compare with the digital marketing and traditional marketing, what happens? It will give more and more flexibility in the digital marketing compared to different aspect. Because of that is the reason nowadays everyone is moving to the digital marketing. Also the trend is moving to the digital. Nowadays the day by day offline is coming to down. Example, I will tell you, you can see your e-commerce industry. There is no offline. If somebody's need any product, they are purchasing online. They are making payment in the online, and they via courier it's coming to you. Many businesses happening here, and even the education sector nowadays coming to day by day online. And also because of the digital marketing trend, now it's generating a more and more employment also. Every industry need a digital marketer now. Not only one IT, not only one education industry, not only one hospital. Each and every industry needs the digital marketing experts for promoting their business. If they not promote via digital marketing, then obviously they will lose their business. Else their competitor, they will capture their business. If you want to make a reach to the people, then you have to go with the digital. Under the digital, I have shown you some options. In that, I will tell you what are the channels we can use it for promoting via digital marketing. One, I told social media. About social media, we will learn in the third day session more and more in depth. In the third day session, I will take more into the social media. Just I have told you the things. And second one, you can see here, organic search engine placement. The organic search engine placement. What is organic search engine placement? This is called it as an SEO. SEO, search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? In the briefly, I will show you. If you search any keyword, examples, you can see hospital near me. You can see it will suggest whomever the hospitals near to them. Google is optimize your business and they will list here, and also it will be ranks here. Like any kind of words, if you search in the Google will optimize, and whomever done the proper SEO for them, the Google will show in the results. For making your website more visible, you have to do the SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. That is called organic. Let's say I will show you one more example. MBA colleges near me. You can see it's showing the MBA colleges near me. It's listing based on the areas it will capture, and it will list your data. This is called it as an organic marketing. This is also one of the factor, because nowadays people don't know for every service their brand name. Example, if you want something online, then you are familiar with Flipkart and Amazon. But some other service, if you are looking for some of the electrician, you have to search on the Google. If you are looking for some, because for everything no brand available. If you know, you can do directly. If you want to seek some information, that time always you will search on the Google. If you optimize your website for specific keywords, then only your website will be listed on the search engine. And the search engine, it is not only the Google, it is applicable for all the search engines like Bing, Yahoo, Ask, Google, but Google is a top one. Okay, two things I told you. One more, the channel is PPC, pay per click it is. What is the meaning of pay per click? If somebody click on your ad, they will take you into the your website, but it is a paid process. Paid means we have to pay money for Google. Example, I will show you how the ad it will looks. I will make it. I will search MBA colleges in Bangalore. You will see the lot of ads in the web page. You can see AD. AD indicates advertisement. This is the PPC. PPC stands for pay per click. If I click on this, the amount will deduct from the this particular account. Means they have already placed the ad on the Google. PPC is a paid process, and SEO is a free process. Free means it's a organic. Also, PPC is a part of the SEM. SEM stands for search engine marketing. SEM stands for search engine marketing. Just I am explaining about briefly about the search engine channels. What are the search engines there for? You have to make it. You can see local search marketing. Example, in the Facebook option is there. Local marketplace, OLX, Quicker, those all are the online sales only, that is online platform only. You can able to make it. And also Google Map, this is also part of the local search. I will show you once again which is that factor. You can see this is also a local search. It will be listed here nearby your location. And one more important, video marketing. Nowadays more and more people are going to the video marketing. Instead of doing in the TV channels, you can do it in the YouTube. There is a lot of channels are there. Nowadays the present is IPL going on. Many people are ready to put the ad on Hotstar, because that is the peak hour for them. They want to place their ad. Even those people also, they will make via money via ads only, because they are sending that much crowd into that particular channel. What the advertiser will think, if you want to place any ad on the TV or any specific channel, They will see how much crowd will be there on specific time. More crowd, more benefit. Also the bid will go high amount there. Okay, that's why video marketing also very, very important nowadays. Even though you can communicate the users via about your product and all via, and even though you can make through a YouTube channel, you can make the money also. That also I will take in the third day session once I switch to the social media marketing. Today I'm taking only the briefly about the Google Ads. Okay, now you got idea about what is the digital marketing and its importance, and you got the idea also difference between digital marketing and versus traditional marketing. Why the traditional marketing is going down day by day? Because of the reason the sales also coming down in the traditional market. I will tell you one example why it is coming down. Example, if you want to sell some product online, sorry, in the offline, if you want to sell one product in the offline, you have to go physically, you have to physically travel there, and you have to go there, show them demo. Again, you have to come down, come back. Again, you have to do a lot of follow up, and it is a more time consuming process. Also, manpower is consuming more, and you have to pay the employee salary. But the same task, if you are doing via digital marketing, what happens if somebody requested any service via online, you send them some video, YouTube video, you make the video of that product, and you send them. If they ask the demo, yes, they can watch the video. Again, if they want live demo session, you can connect via lot of online webinar tools are there, like Zoom also one of the webinar. We can connect online and we can talk and we can make the meetings also there. You can do everything in the online. But in the traditional, what happens? Everything it is offline, it is a time consuming, and it is a cost effective. Again, more it is cost more, means expenses are more, and it is a more delay, and no measurement also possible. Maybe your salesperson or marketing person, he will tell, I have went and I have visited there, but there is no proof. But in the online, everything you will get a proof. It is happening, and every industries nowadays, they are capturing and they are moving to the digital marketing. Not only one industry, education, not only one industry like e-commerce, even the hospitality nowadays, the online consulting, it's going on as per the schedule. Because of that is the reason it is coming more and more popularity in the digital marketing. Okay, the next topics I will come for the keyword research. What is keyword research? If you want to see like what is the popularity in the online, the specific words, and how many people are seeking the information about that particular information, how many people are searching online in the Google or any other search engine. If you want to identify that information, then we have to do the keyword research. This is one of the key aspect. Example, I will take you MBA colleges in Bangalore. I want to know about this keyword, like how people are searching. They are searching MBA colleges in Bangalore, or they are using Master of Business Administrative they are using, or they are using MBA course in Bangalore. If you do the keyword research, then only you will get to know about that particular keyword study. What is keyword research? If you want to understand in depth about specific keyword, you have to do the keyword research. In that, you will get a more and more details. Let's see, I will tell you how to do the keyword research. You have to use the tool called Ubersuggest. Let's see, I will take it. Ubersuggest. Okay, you have to use the tool called Ubersuggest for doing that. It's a free tool. There is some limitation is there, in that we have to. Okay, here first thing is we have to choose the country. You are doing keyword research for which country, because the keyword research will be changed from country to country. Because in the US nobody, like maximum people will search MBA colleges in Bangalore. Maximum searches come from the India only. Let's say I will take it as an India here, and I will add the keyword here. What keyword I am searching? MBA colleges in Bangalore. Now, if you click on the search, you will get some idea. Okay, it will capture the data and it will show. Just a second, it will be, it's loading. Yeah, you can tell, you can see it is telling the tool itself. The totally in a month, it is in a month 9,900 people are searching in the Google the keyword called MBA colleges in Bangalore. And SEO difficulty means here, like what is the difficulty if you do SEO for this particular keyword, like based on the SEO difficulty you can able to do. What is the difficulty? 23% is there. Pay difficulty means if you place the ads on Google, what is the difficulty? Difficulty, if the more, then the bid amount will be more, also the competitors also more. Means many people, like if it is a zero, like no competitor, how much value will be a high, that much will be the competition. You have to think it. And it is, if you are placing any ad, it is telling you have to pay the 73 rupees per click. Okay, about the keyword I will come down, it will tell you more detail. If you see the trend of the graph, you can see during the January, February, March, it was the more peak, and also in the September. Other month it's not much. Means we can say it is a more popular during the admission time only. The people will search this keyword more, and also similar keyword it will suggest here. People are searching different keywords for the MBA colleges in Bangalore. It is I search as per my expectation, but people are searching with different keyword. What are the different keyword? You can see colleges for MBA in Bangalore. People searching colleges for MBA in Bangalore. This keyword is searching 12,100. MBA colleges of Bangalore 12,100. MBA colleges in Bangalore. This keyword I have searched. It is 9,900. Okay, I will completely download it, and I will tell you like how to choose the exact keyword for your website or for doing the paid promotion on the Google platform. I will export to the CSV. It is asking the login. I will do it login. Okay, I will export it here. Now complete list it will serve. By filtering option, we can able to choose the relevant keywords, and it should be useful for your audience. I took like this way. You can do related to your business also. If you do the keyword research, then you will get an idea. Let's see. Now I will put a filter for this. That will be clear idea for you. What you have to do. You have to go under the data. filter. Here I will make it as a filter. Okay, largest to smallest. Okay, here are the keywords. Means the people are searching with different keywords for the Bangalore location. Totally it is suggested 100 keywords. In this I will choose the relevant keyword, and it will be depends on the website. Let's see they are using. I will come again back. MBA colleges in Bangalore is required. And top 10 colleges, people searching MBA colleges in Bangalore top, it is also required. List of MBA colleges in Bangalore, yes, it is also required. Let's say all these 5 keywords I have selected. And one more, they are searching MBA colleges in Bangalore without entrance exam with fee structure. Exam, if you are conducting exam for your college, then this is the good for you. Because somebody specifically searching, they don't want to give entrance exam, they want to enter directly. Okay, then I will make it as a red here. Means if you are providing, then you choose this is also relevant keyword. And people are searching MBA colleges in Bangalore. Yes, whomever working persons are there, they are searching for MBA evening colleges because they want to do regularly, but evening college they want to do along with the job. If you are belongs to the MBA evening college, then instead of choosing all these keyword, you have to target this is the keyword. You can say again the people searching similar keyword, MBA colleges, Bangalore list, fee structure. Okay, anyhow, here the different keyword is there. People searching specific with fee structure also, and rank wise also. Okay, without entrance exam it's over. Okay, you can see some people are specifically searching government MBA colleges in Bangalore. If you are not belongs to government, then no need of targeting this keyword only. No need of targeting this keyword only. Here the people are searching specific to the government. Okay, I will show you some other similarities. All are the same. Yeah, somebody searching with low fees. Means if somebody seeking information from the Google, what they will do, based on their requirement, they will search it. What this tool will do, like keyword research tool, it will capture each and every searches from the Google, and based on that, it will tell how many searches are coming per keyword every month. That will suggest. If you make the properly the plan, then only you can able to do the keyword research. Means it will give the accurate idea which keyword I want to target for my website or my YouTube video or my Google ads. Then only you can able to achieve the success in the digital marketing. If you choose the wrong keyword, then completely it is a drop. Completely we can say it is a fail. That's why before doing any YouTube videos or optimizing YouTube videos or Google ads, if you are placing the ad, or if you are placing the or if you are optimizing the website for SEO, in that cases you have to do thoroughly the keyword research, then we have to target it. You can see one more also, I will tell you part-time. People are searching part-time. Whichever the relevancy is there, you can make a list of the keywords, then you can start optimizing. If example part-time also you are providing, then you can choose this keyword also. Okay, I will show you some more unique key. Yeah, here you can see people searching specific to the university. Specific to the university. They want to do MBA, but they want to do with only Bangalore University, not with U2, VTU, not with any VIT, any other university. They are specifically searching MBA colleges in Bangalore with specific universities. That is the one more their condition. Then this will be useful for you if you are running the MBA college under the Bangalore University. If you are running MBA colleges under the VTU, then it is not useful for you. And now see under PGCET, there somebody people are searching PGCET. And people seeking the answers from Quora also, you can see. People recommend in the Quora which college is good, which college is not. You can see people searching top MBA colleges in Bangalore under VTU. Under VTU. Here people searching VTU also, people searching Bangalore University also. Because they want to take admission under that university only. And people also searching executive MBA colleges. Because some of the MBA institute, they will offer MBA executive program. People searching MBA hospitality management. Means if you want to find information about the MBA, in that cases, it will be useful for you. And also you will get to know what keyword I want to choose, what keyword I don't want to choose. Okay, now hotel management also people searching in the MBA management. And if you are planning for doing the MBA, also if you are planning to start MBA college, then also what are the streams I have to take under that? What are the options I have to take under that? For that also this particular information is useful. Or if you are starting MBA college, you want to affiliate with Bangalore University or VTU, that also you will get a more detail, because compared to both BTU and Bangalore, you see both 70-70 only. Means the same trend. Same trend. And people searching regular or evening. If you compare to that, evening is there 590 and regular it is there 12,000. Means this is the more. Now, if you make the proper plan, then you can able to target the exact keyword for your promotion, for video, for the website, everything. This is the one strategy I told you. Okay, let's see, we will do comparison with MCA college. MBA is over. Now I will do with MCA. I will do comparison with MCA. Let's see. I will export. You will get an idea what is the trend, what is MBA, what is MCA. You see people searching MCA college just 1900. Where is 1900? Where is 12,100? This indicates the more demand is there for the MBA compared to the MCA. Because I will tell you the reason, what is the difference between MBA here and what is the difference between the MCA. Okay, the MCA expert, like whomever completed MCA, they want only in the IT industry. Apart from that, they will not take anywhere, because those all are the application, computer. But MBA, it is required for each and every field. In the hospital, in the college, in the every businesses they need. That is the why the MCA is the less demand, MBA is the more demand. Means imagination, I will tell you, you are planning to start the MBA college or MCA college. I want to make only one college I want to start. Which one I want to do? That time you will get an idea, you want to do MBA or you want to do with the MCA based on the trend. Here also, if you do the research, you will get a similarity keywords. It is MBA colleges, top MCA colleges, all are relevant only. And here also people are seeking evening college for MCA in Bangalore. But the search volume is just 140. Here also you are getting government MCA colleges. Means the purpose of doing the keyword research is to get to know the what is the trend and what is the not, and which keyword I want to which keyword I don't want to use. And also whatever we choose the keyword, we can use again for the writing the content for your social media or for your website, for making the videos. For that purpose, we can use it again. This is the specific to the keyword research. If you want to identify current trend keywords, currently what happening, which any specific keyword you want to do, then you have to go to the Google Trends. Google Trends. If you want more idea about present things. Okay, here is the state we have to choose. Means you want to search for which state. If you want for India, you can choose India. If you want to search any specific keyword, you can search it. But if you want by default information, you can use the by default information. Here it will search. Example, you can see coronavirus. What is the trend they are telling? If you come here, it will tell. It was the peak in the April, May, March. After that, it's came out down. Let's see. I will search now only the similar to corona only. I will search. You will get to know the what is the trend. You see here, they were showing the last 12-month data. 12-month data they are searching. Your corona was started in the middle of the March. Hence it is in the middle of the March. Previous there was not there. It was there, but it was in the some China or somewhere. That's why very less search was there in the India. But from the March, you see, it was completely locked down. It came up. Now it is coming down, like how the people are stopped searching the word. This is called it as a seasonal word. Means if you want to identify peak word or any specific word and their trend, you have to use this particular things. And if you come for reason wise, where the people will more they are searching, the data it is searching, because wherever the corona was more high, there it is more people searching. Maharashtra, it's good. Again in Karnataka, you can see Delhi, Jammu, Kashmir. Here the data is there. Okay, now see related queries. People not searching only coronavirus. People are searching corona cases, coronavirus update, corona update, coronavirus. Means this will give the complete idea of the keyword research. Without research, without trending, we can't do anything in the digital marketing. First, we have to do research about the market. Then only we have to do something in the digital marketing. Without that, it is not possible. And even though here no need to depend on anybody, the lot of tools are available. You can do it yourself itself, the research, and you can able to take the decision. But it was not possible in the traditional market. You have to depend with somebody to find out the trend, to find out the some information. That is also one of the factor. Let's see, that is done. I will search one more keyword. Recent, the recent trending topic it is now IPL. Means you will get to know it was the trend or not. If you are writing any article, if you are making any video, you have to use Google Trend option. You can see here. It was very peak on the December. Maybe some any issue is there on tool. Every year in the April it was starting, but this year the April you can see it came again up. Means it's capturing the data. Okay, here what I will do, I will take last past 30 days. I will take, you can see past 30 days there was not much, but present you see it's came up because IPL is started now. Means people are flexibly, they are searching more into more. This is called it as a seasonal word. If you do the properly the keyword analysis, then only you can, means I can tell you in word until you like research, either you do competitor research, either you want to do the keyword research. That is the must and must you have to do in the digital marketing. Without that you will not get any idea. If you go with the blindly something, there is a chances of going wrong in the your marketing strategies. Okay, people, what are the keywords they are searching? They are searching some specifically the keyword. They are using some specific keywords here. Some person A, maybe they did something, people are searching more into that. Okay, I will take one more, the word last, Diwali. You can see Diwali was the only hike during the time of Diwali. Other time, no. This is completely seasonal keyword. Means that keyword trend will be there on specific time. Other time it will be no trend. Means maybe it will be there for 8 days or 10 days. After that, people will not search much into that particular keyword. Okay, this is the all about the got completely idea about this. Will come for the next one more topic here. In this, job opportunities. You will get a question: why I want to learn job? Why I want to do the digital marketing? Why you want to learn the digital marketing? What is the benefit? See here, there is a lot of opportunities are there in the digital marketing. First thing is, you can join the job also. If you don't want to do the job, then you can work as a freelancer. That is also more flexible. You can sit from anywhere you can do the work if you know the digital marketing. And third thing is, you don't want to do the job, don't want to do freelancing, you can do as a blogger. Either you can do blogger, or you can make it vlog. Vlog means video blogger. Blogger means like a content. You will make your own blog and you can make money also out of it. If you don't want to write article, you make it a video blogger, you make it as a video blogger. That is also possible. Through that also you can make the money. You don't want to do this also, then you can become you can go in the specific industry, you can make it as a influencer. For become an influencer, you should have a good audience in the social media. Influencer. You don't want to become an influencer, or then you can implement DM standards to your business and improve your business. If you don't want to do business also, then you can go as a coach or a trainer. Like there are the multiple options they have given. If you don't want trainer also, you can work as a consultant. Like no need to work here 8 hours of job also. If you join as a job, then you have to become 8 hours you have to work, and it is a weekly 5 days 6 days. If you work as a freelancer, everything is flexible. Other thing is completely flexible. As per your convenient, you can do it. But like this way option, it is not available in the other domains. In the other domains, you don't get this kind of options to work. Okay, why I am telling like these are the options available? If you see the trend of the market, if you see the trend of the market, you will get to know like how many jobs are available in the market from the different portals. And in the digital marketing is not only one profile. Under that, again 30 different profiles you will get. Again 30 different profiles you will get. Example, you can say content marketer, average salary is 18k to 1 lakh per month. It depends on your knowledge and your way of presenting the content. But minimum as a fresher, you can earn minimum 18k. Digital marketing sales, minimum 22k to 45k in the market. And again, it is matters of experience and all, but minimum as a fresher, you can earn this. As a email marketer, if you join, you will get as a 15k to 25k. Social media, 15k to 35k. Like here, some samples is the related to the job things. But you can work as a many way if you learn the digital marketing. If you learn the digital marketing, you can work as a many way. And it is the must and should skill required for each and every person in the industry. If you're a business owner, you need a knowledge of this. If you're a student, you need a knowledge of this. Because now everything is moving in the world like a digitally completely. If you move to a digital marketing, like if it is moving a digitally, you should know about the digital. If somebody doing something, you have to know about the some basic things. Example, many online e-commerce sites are there. They will sell the fake products. If you want to understand what is the fake, example, you want to understand this is the product is genuine, or this product company is a genuine or not, or this product is genuine or not, you should study about that before buying that. If you want to do study, you have to know about something about the digitally, where I get the information about that particular product or particular company information. All these things, if you want to know, again you should know about the digital. We can say some level the basic skill required about the digital marketing. And even though lot of the sites or some of the online frauds is happening, if you have a physically like how online transaction happens, how it works, then it will be the better for you. Because of that is the reason, like if you compare with the any other domains, the digital marketing is the more flexible for the job wise also. And must and should, if you have a skill, like you have that particular skill, and it will be useful for the your future growth also. And I will tell you one more thing. If any management student here, like you are from the MBA or BBM, example I'm telling MBA, BBM, here anyone from that particular stream, BBM, BCom, if you want to make the career in the marketing domain, you must and should be learn digital marketing. Because every marketing, if you go for apply for any marketing job, they will put the one word note. You should have a basic knowledge of digital marketing. And also, if you are working in a marketing project, you want a promotion as a manager or some good profile, you should have a skill of digital marketing. Means if you have a traditional marketing skill, you should build that digital marketing skill also to become a job change purpose, or to become a promotion purpose, or to become a survive in the marketing industry. To survive in the marketing industry. Marketing is different and sales is the different. Sales team will take care of the conversions, but marketing team has to take care of generating the leads. Here, as a digital marketer, you have to take care of generating the leads more into more, not more into the sales. Sales will take care by a sales team. As a digital marketer, you have to take care of the more into the leads, like how to generate a more leads and how to make it as a convertible. How to make a convertible more into take care by a sales team. Okay, this is about the today's topic, like about the digital marketing. Like I have told you the 4 topics today. What is the digital marketing and its importance, difference between the digital marketing versus traditional marketing, what is keyword research. I have given the example of MBA colleges in Bangalore and MCA colleges in Bangalore, and what is the job opportunities also I told you, and also how to make the money also I have told you here. Here you can make the money also via these are the fields. Maybe already some of them we are doing the influencer marketing, maybe we are the running the blogs, but if you learn digital marketing, that will be the more and more benefit for you. That will be more and more benefit for you. Okay, I will give a one quiz to all based on the today's session. You can attend it. Also, if you have any questions, you can ask me the question now. If you have any questions, you can ask me. In the chat, if you have any questions, you can ask me.